Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to service a BMW 3 Series. Let's start with the basics. Regular oil changes are paramount for your engine's health, typically every 10,000 miles or 12 months. Don't forget to check your tire pressure monthly. It impacts both safety and fuel economy. Also, inspect your brake pads and fluid levels every 6 months to ensure optimal stopping power. Finally, replacing your air filters annually helps your engine breathe easily and perform efficiently. Maintaining proper fluid levels is vital for your BMW's performance. Engine oil, as mentioned, needs changing every 10,000 miles or 12 months. Brake fluid, a critical safety component, should be replaced every 2 years to prevent moisture absorption. Regularly check your coolant levels to prevent overheating, especially before long journeys. Lastly, ensure your power steering fluid is at the correct level for smooth and responsive steering, making every drive enjoyable. Your BMW's braking system is paramount for safety, so regular inspection is a must. Inspect brake pads for wear, typically every 20,000 miles, and replace them when they reach 3 millimeters thickness. Rotors should be checked for proper thickness and any signs of warping. Visually inspect brake lines and calipers for any leaks or damage. Always ensure your parking brake engages firmly, providing peace of mind when parked on inclines. Beyond fluids and brakes, several other components require attention. Spark plugs should be replaced every 60,000 miles to maintain engine efficiency and power. Regularly inspect all belts and hoses for any cracks or signs of wear, replacing them as needed to prevent breakdowns. Test your battery's health annually, particularly before winter, to avoid starting issues. Remember, using genuine BMW parts ensures the best fit, performance, and longevity for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.